Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change your air filter on an Audi A6 C5 1.9 TDI. So first of all, you're going to have to open up your bonnet, and then that will give you access to where the air filter is. Now, you can remove more to gain more access, and I would suggest once you've removed the air filter, getting a hoover in there and just hoovering out all the stuff. You're just going to remove these caps just with that pick, and then that will expose Phillips screws. So just screw them out with a electric screwdriver. To remove the air intake, push it towards the wheel arch and then up. And then all you're going to do is you're going to remove this. You're going to remove the clips. There's 4 of them, which are just located here. After you've done them clips, you're just going to remove this Torx bit here. Okay, it's really easy. And then all this should give you a lot of access. You can go further with this to give you more access by removing the Jubilee kit and the mass airflow sensor. But in this case, I managed to get enough access this way, and as you can see, it was well overdue a change. You're just going to keep them next to each other to make sure that they are the same size, and then push it in that way. Before you do the clips up, just make sure it's aligned up correctly and there's no obstructions, and then push the clips in. Okay, remember there's 4 of them. And then you're just going to put that Torx bit back in to secure the wire. And once that's in, all we're going to do is replace the air intake itself. And it's a case of just putting in position, going at the front of the car first, and then going back to the intake side by the wheel arch. Like I said, do the bit at the front of the car first, and then line it up at the back, and then push it down. Cover back on. There should be a little clip you've got to line up first on the wheel arch side, and then these 2 Phillips screwdriver bits, and then put the covers over it. So thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, put them in the comments, and also if you look in the comments section, I'm tagging a playlist for a full service and other maintenance bits on this Audi A6 C5 1.9 TDI. See you on the next one.